So let's talk about our single arm kettlebell moves and a little bit more advanced way of holding the kettlebell handle. So it allows you to get a little more rotation, recruitment from your shoulder, a little bit more lat pull-in, structural stability, and a little more safety measure for the bicep tendons and the elbow joints. Sometimes I will see people coming down and keeping this kettlebell thumbs up position, right? If you have good shoulders, that's fine. Difficulty here is if that momentum continues down and that elbow straight and you start pulling up, you're going to be putting yourself in a position to hyperextend your elbow, which isn't good. You're going to damage the joint, you're going to damage connective tissue in between, and potentially also tear your bicep or some of your forearm muscles. How do we correct this? Very simple. We're going to let the arm rotate itself down and allow this shoulder assembly to pull itself back into position, retracting the shoulder blade and letting the lats pull in from the bottom. So I'm going to turn thumb in to thumb out as we swing. So notice I'm here, coming in, and thumb out. Right, I'm not going fully out with it. I'm just allowing this hand to rotate so that kettlebell momentum can carry itself without hurting my elbow. The next secret on this too is where you're grabbing the kettlebell. Here, okay. Here, even better. Anytime you can grab right on the angle of this horn to handle transition, it's going to give you a little bit better angle on the center line of gravity for the kettlebell as it rotates, but also a better way of controlling its rotation. So I like to set up, reaching nice and deep in here and having it right like this position. So I have my hand firmly resting on the horn, palm on the handle. Now as I rotate through, I have a really good strong grip. I can control the rotation, I can keep my shoulder back, and I can cycle way faster. And I'm just coming here and risking that elbow hyperextending. It doesn't feel good to begin with like this. Allow it to rotate, come up. The force is being generated by the shoulder being pulled back and up, and it keeps that cycle time nice and fast because the system's always in spring respond, spring respond, spring respond. So again, hand position, nice and tight. Allow that elbow to bend in and the shoulder retraction, pulling back to shorten up that pull, make a nice tight transition on your kettlebell swings. Regardless if they're American, Russian, high pulls, I do them all the same way.